Lakeshake Day 2.
Day 2.
Woo! Yeah, we are
living life again.
living life. We're very tired, but it's worth it. So we'll catch you up later. Taylor and Maria are trying to learn lyrics for Lanco.
When's our final on this?
I don't know. I haven't made it yet. They're working on it. We just stopped to get some lunch at Mariano's. Grapes, fruit,
Yeah, some mac and snack.
mac and cheese, and pizza.
That looks really good, the mac and cheese.
What a deal. We love Mariano's.
Yes, we do.
Yes. We made it back.
We got
Day 2.
3 more passes for our familia. De Familia de Jordo. De Mama Garavak. Papa Garavak. Oh no, your daddy had one. And Nikki Garavak. Nikki! Nikki, I'm gonna get you to dance this weekend. And it's gonna be so fun. And we're gonna go and cowboy around.
Oh my gosh.
Throw down, throw down.
Stay tuned. Oh, let's look zoomed in.
Oh, she goes, oh.
For more fun here at Lakeshake with Taylor Prey and Marie Lotta and Mary Garrettbeck. Just a little update. Who did we just get a picture with?
Jackie Lee. You may not know who he is, but I know his song now. I've always known him.
And we won free shirts. Show us your shirt. Marie won them. Thanks, Marie.
Well, I did not know the answer. I look scared.
Look how cool those are.
I'm gonna wear it tonight.
So cute. We are very excited. Stay tuned for more fun from Lakeshake. Woo! Taylor Prey got some help and blew up this nice couch for us. Very, very nice.
Look at this cool fan I got too. Can they see it?
Everyone can't see. Yeah,
It's my phone. It's killing my battery, but it's okay. I already did it.
And it was free. It's always good.
We won it. And I got this tattoo.
Yes.
And I got a pop socket. It's killer. We gotta go tomorrow.
All free stuff. Taylor!
I got my new shirt on!
The whole family joined us.
All in one vlog! It's so exciting. Let me down easy.
That's right.
If I fall, let me down easy. Marie, if I fall,
I will catch you.
okay.
And I might laugh first.
Ready? Chocolate chip pancakes. Go.
Pancakes?
That's your theme.
Mix it better. Put in the chocolate, put in the egg, and maybe some milk.
Go, Mary.
You heat up the stove. And you let the pancakes put the till above. And then you go flip it over.
And then you eat the pancakes and they're so delicious. Woo! Nikki, what is the first thing that pops in your head when you think of chocolate chip pancakes? Wow, I feel very... Woo! Go, Michelle!
Birthday cake together.
Billy Corgan, thank you for playing a song I know!
I have it. He took my love. They said, no, you dare look back. Let's keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This moment is my destiny. She said, oh, shut up and dance with me. We are the night. She's jamming over there.
I love Country Lakeshake.
Taylor's got her lyrics. She's ready to go.
Guys, we're crossing another thing off our bucket list. It is 12 o'clock, not 11:59. And we're eating our midnight snack. So, would you like to join us?
Oh my god, yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, our pretzel stick.
My little goldfish though.
Where'd it go?
I'll eat this one for now.
Take a new goldfish.
Thank you for bringing snacks, Marin.
Check that off our bucket list.
Woo! Hi everyone. We are in the car on our way home from day 2 of Lakeshake. Marie
There she is.
Nikki gave it a pretty good rating. But it's been really good, and we're having a really good time. I'm really tired probably, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. And we're just saying, safe travels.